So, did a thing today. Yeah, I sold my Mavic Air, but I got something better. Check this out. I got the new Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Let's see what's in a box. So I bought this the day after it was released. Wasn't sure if I was going to do it at first. I really did like the original Air. But after watching some videos of famous YouTubers, people like, I don't know if you ever heard of Peter McKinnon, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. I had a coupon and I had a no interest from Best Buy. So I was like, heck with it. Sold my old Air and got this. So out with the old and in with the new. So first, it being the Fly More combo, it comes with a cool little case. And I like this case. It's not fabric like the old Air. It's almost like it might be waterproof. I don't know. Don't expect a professional unboxing like Peter or anybody. But as you can see, everything is nicely stuffed in there. Unlike the old Air where the drone was separate, this is actually all in one bag. That's really nice. So let's take that drone. It doesn't feel any heavier than my old Air. It actually might feel a little bit lighter than the old Air. So as you've seen in all the videos, it has front sensors, rear sensors, bottom sensors, infrared sensor. So we're not going to really go into what everything does here. But I just want to say, you know, I know a lot of people complained about they got away from the Mavic Air style. I'll tell you what, I like the Mavic Pro style. I had the Mavic Pro 1, got rid of it, kicked myself in the butt every day. So I bought the Air because we like to travel and I want to get some cool drone shots around the world. So the Air was being a little bit more portable. So this really isn't that much bigger than the regular Air, I think, from watching some of the videos. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Let's see what else we got here. Got the controller. Now, that was something that a lot of people had a problem with when I read on the internet. But you know what? I'm gonna tell you what. I don't think it's gonna be that bad. I like the way it feels in the hand, and I think having the phone up top is gonna be really good. Camera and record. Let's see. That's gonna be for the gimbal, I would assume. Let's see. These are just look like some kind of rests. That's for your phone. And then obviously the cables in there. I'm gonna assume that there's another cable. Oh, these just plug in. Let's see what else we got here. Tripod, sport, in normal mode. Return to home, power. This. Not sure what that does, but we'll find out. And then a function button. Put the sticks down there. Let's see what else we got here. This is the charger. So I like this. The charger is a lot smaller than the old charger. Look at that. Man, that batteries are just gonna. So it's got a battery on it. So battery's a little bit bigger, obviously, but you also fly a lot longer. So let's see. So they're just gonna go right like that, and that's how it's gonna charge. Ooh, that's handy dandy right there. Let's see here. So that was the charger. And then what have we got in here? Okay, so being the Fly More, I got another battery. This is the part of the charger power cord. This is the rest of it. Another battery. And that seems to be all the goodies that are inside this pouch here. I won't lie, I opened it up before. But in here, so propellers, instruction booklets. We can just throw those away, right? No, I'll get those back before my dog eats them. This is more propellers. And there's supposed to be it being a fly more package. So I'm thinking on this is something here. Oh, here. There he comes. Found them. So what do we got here? More cable ends. This is, I'm gonna guess that this is a thing to drain the batteries. Oh no, this is this the filters? Yes, these are the filters. Now, just check out one thing here real fast. Pull some of this tape off. As you can tell, like I said, just got it here. Just waiting for the UPS guy all day. I was kind of wishing they were like Amazon. When you buy things, they tell you where they were at, but no. And see here, you should even think. Oh, what's up? This is off, but I'm not gonna mess with it right now until I read the directions. I'm not breaking almost $1,000 drone. So this is the cable to, I don't know what that cable goes to, and this is what I thought that was, and this is a thing to drain your batteries to be a power bank. It's got 2 USBs on it. I think the original Air had 1. So that is it, guys. So what I'm gonna do is read the directions once I pick them up off the floor, and then I am going to charge my batteries up, and tomorrow we'll take it for a little spin, see how it. So I took some video with the Mavic Air 2. Quite impressed. I haven't edited it yet. You know, I'm probably just gonna put it in there pretty much straight out of the camera type thing. But the drone is amazing. It was really windy when I was filming. It handled it like a pro, but then again, pretty much all the DJI drones handle heavy winds with like a pro. This thing is maybe where the Mavic 2 Pro is and where the Mavic Air was. It fits right in the middle. The design, love it, hate it. It is a good design. It feels like a machine. It doesn't feel like a toy and all plasticky like the original Air. Even straight down to where the memory card goes in the side. On the original Air, if you had it, the memory card went to the back, and it was really hard to get that memory card out. This one is right on the side and just go in and pop it out. There's no real small area to have to get to. You know, the controller is great. I was a hater of the controller when I first saw it. I'm like, oh, I don't know, but there were other things about this drone that made me want to go for it. But that controller, when you fit it in your hand, feels so good. The 1080p that you get back from the in-camera looks so much better than the 720 that you got with the Air. In my opinion, by far the best drone in the world. I was such a happy, giddy little kid when I came inside. I was like, oh my God, this is awesome. So anyways, like, subscribe if you like anything. I usually do travel videos. Right now, obviously, we can't do anywhere. We were supposed to be actually in Germany right this minute, but we had to cancel it because of coronavirus. So I hope everybody's staying happy. Hope everybody's staying healthy, and I hope everybody's being safe. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time.